This is Lexus 350 Jeep. Anytime steering dey hard to cut, no be everything be pump don spoil. You just cool down, check the thing, make the motor no dey free. Some can be filter for here. This one hasn't filter to pour oil. The oil go to direct to steering pump. The steering pump go to direct to the steering rack. Anytime this filter dey this place have issue, or the thing cover the filter of this place, oil cannot penetrate to oil pump, mean the filter need to lose and wash, and that filter need to go to the wash at least call it 4 months, 3 months. You need to wash the filter, they change the steering oil. The steering pump cannot have issue. Because some people not idea say that filter there here need to wash, then just couple it like that. Let me show you the filter. Yes, this is the filter. You look at the filter well, you go know the filter there is dirty inside the filter, blocking the system of the steering pump. That filter there, or you cannot pass this place. Or you cannot pass this place. From there, you affected the steering pump. The steering pump you can affect. This is the valve of that steering pump. Because of the dirty of this steering cup, go enter this steering pump, seize this valve. This valve will go down. As this valve go down to push itself down, the steering go dey active, go dey strong. The thing you go do then to just lose the steering pump and lose the cup, service the cup, clean the cup very very well, and wash the system of the pump inside the cup, inside the steering pump. Wash it well. You have another valve like this valve, something like this valve. This valve can go together with this one. This one can go together with this one. Then can serve for one pump. So just understand this issue. That's why this thing don't go down. You try your best to pull it out. You pull it out, service and brush it up and down, clean it very well. Pour new oil. The steering go there soft. Thank you. Try to subscribe.